Hello students. Last class I had started nouns singular and plural, that is lesson number 5 from your Tune Into Grammar book. I had explained you some rules of changing a singular noun into plural noun. I will continue with the lesson. Already we had done some exercises. I will continue with the lesson and teach you some more rules to change a singular noun into a plural noun. Everyone should take out page number 30 in your Tune Into Grammar book. So, we already have learned the rules of changing the words ending with letter S, SH, CH, X, Y, and even letters ending with that is the words ending with letters F, FE. These all we have learned. Today there will be continuation of the rules, what rules we should follow when the ending letter of a word is like seeing the ending letter of the word, you can make out what rules you should apply to change the singular form into a plural form. So here in page number 30 you can see that there are some more ways in which singular noun may be changed into a plural noun. Some nouns ending in F form the plural simply by taking an S. So if you see the ending letter as F, then we simply add S to make the singular noun into a plural noun. For example, roof, ROOF, roof. So you can see the ending letter as F. So we are adding S to just make it in the plural form as roofs, ROOFS, roofs. Next one, you can see the another example is given proof. Again, you can see the ending letter is F. So we are adding S to make it plural by writing proofs, PROOFS. Now, next rule is if there is a vowel before the Y, we simply add S to change it into plural. We had learned rules that if the word is ending with Y, what we do, we drop Y, we remove Y, we add IES. That we have learned earlier. Now, again one more rule we are learning, that if the ending letter is Y, then and there is a vowel before Y. This is a new rule. So, if the ending letter is Y, then you have to see the letter before Y. The letter before Y, if it is a vowel, you know all the vowels A, E, I, O, U. So, if it is a vowel before Y, what we do, we simply add S to change it into plural. But if it is not a vowel, if the letter before Y is not a vowel, then we simply drop Y and add IS. But if the letter before Y is a vowel, then we add S to change it into plural. Like you can see R, for example, given in your book, Ray, RAY. So you can see the letter before Y, that is A, is a vowel. So what you are doing, we are just adding S to make it in the plural form, that is raise. Again you can see one more word is given, joy. Here also you can see the letter before Y is O. O, that is a vowel. So you can see the letter before Y is a vowel. So you will simply add S to make it in the plural form, that is joys, JOYS. Next rule. Some singular nouns ending with O become plural by adding ES. For example, you can see potato. Potato, you can see the ending letter is O. So, how will we change it into plural form? We'll just add ES to that word. So, it becomes potatoes, POTATOES, potatoes. Next, again, you can see buffalo. Buffalo, also the ending letter is O. And we are simply adding ES to make it plural, that is buffaloes, BUFFALOES, buffaloes. Okay, next one. Some singular noun ending with O become plural simply by adding S. So again, now we learn that if O is there, we make it ES, we add ES to make it plural. Again, one rule is there that if some singular noun are ending with O, they become plural by adding S, like piano. So piano will become pianos, Pianos. So these are some of the rules. Some rules are there, that in some compound words we pluralize the first word. For example, runner up. You can see the word runner up. So we are making it plural by adding s to runner and making it runners up. It will not be runner ups. No, it will not be runner ups. It will become runners up. So we are adding s. See, runner up is there. So we are adding s to runner and making it plural. So runners up. Again, you can see brother in law. So we are writing brothers in law. So brother, anyway, in simple term also, if like brother, if you write the plural, it's brothers. If you write the plural of brother, it is brothers. Same way, when it is brother in law, we'll make it plural by adding brothers, s to brother, and we'll write as brothers in law. So these are some nouns. Again, there are some rules, that there are some nouns that do not change, whether they are singular or plural. For example, you can see sheep, fish, deer, hair, rice, coffee, etc. So these forms, these words don't change. Don't change their form. They are singular, so they are as it is, if written in singular form or plural form. So these words don't change their form. So if you are being asked to write the plural of deer, you write deer only. If you are asked to write the plural of hair, then it will be hair only. And if you are asked to write the singular of hair, that is also hair. So these words don't change their form in singular or plural, any of the forms. Okay, so next we will see, but there is an exception with fish. There is an exception with fish. Many, you must have seen that fish we write as fishes also. Fish we write in the plural form as fishes. So why we write that? That I will explain you. That see, fish is written as fish when they are all of the same species. Fish we write as fish, plural also as fish, when they are of the same species. Okay, but we usually write, we will write fishes when that refers to multiple species of fish, like different species. Okay, like if you say we say many goldfish are there at a place, we'll say them fish. But if you see variety of fish together, like a goldfish is there, again whale is there, or any other fish is there, so they together we will call them fishes when they are of the different species. But when they are of the same species, then we call them, the plural also we call them fish. And but fishes when we write, when they are of the different species. But you remember that fish, for fish we will write the plural form also as fish and singular form also as fish. This you should remember. Again, some nouns are used only in the plural. For example, so some like how now we knew that some nouns are there which as a singular and plural it is the same. Now some nouns are there which is used only in their plural form. Like you can see, for example, trousers, oats, scissors, tongs, binoculars, spectacles. So these are the words which are written only in plural form. These are the words which are written only in plural form, because you can see, if you identify the words, you can see that they are paired items. You can see, if you identify scissor, you can see it has that is paired, right? Tongs also paired. Binoculars also, there will be two, no? You can see in a binoculars, you can see that with both the eyes you use the binoculars. That is, it has two lens, right? Same way, spectacle also, you can see the spectacle can never be one. So it is worn in both the eyes. So it is also in pairs. So you can identify these words that they are in pairs. Trousers also It can't be one legged, so it is always in pairs. So these are in pairs, so they are already plural. Okay, so these nouns are used only in their plural form. Okay, now we'll move to the next exercise. That what we have to do, write the correct plural form of these nouns. Now very easy, you can see toy. Toy, you can see ending letter is Y and the letter before Y is O. O is a vowel, so we will just add S to make it toys. Mango will become mangoes, MANGOES, mangoes. Sister-in-law will become sisters-in-law. Sister-in-law will become sisters-in-law. Proof will become proofs, PROOFS, proofs. Valley will become valleys. Why valleys? Because before Y you can see Y, you are seeing the ending letter as Y, and before Y you can see E is there, and E you know is a vowel, and we know when there is a vowel before Y we just add S to make it in the plural form, so it becomes valleys, VALLEYS, valleys. Photo will become photos, PHOTOS, photos. Photo will become photos, PHOTOS, photos. Next, page number 32, you can see fish. As I told you, fish is same for the plural form. So, we will write fish as fish. Kilo, KILO, kilo will become kilos. Chief, chief will become chiefs, CHIEFS, chiefs. Piano will become pianos, PIANOS, pianos. Piano will become pianos. Cargo. Cargo you can write in both the ways. You can write as cargoes, 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 or CARGOS, cargoes. Any of the spellings is fine. Ship will remain as ship. Okay, so this is completed. Now we'll move to the next one, that is A. Select the correct plural form for these words from the options. So you can see two options are given, and you have to see the spellings and find out the correct plural form. Elf. Elf will become elves, ELVES, that is B option is correct. Elf, B option is correct, that is ELVES, elves. Rhino will become rhinos, RHINOS, rhinos. Loaf will become loaves, that is B option. Loaf, B option, LOAVES is the correct one. Lobes, LOAVES. Volcano, the correct option is B, volcanoes, VOLCANOS, volcanoes. Okay, it will be ES, volcanoes, VOLCANOES, volcanoes. Why ES? Why ES? Because you can see the letter before O is N, and N is not a vowel, it is a consonant, so we will add ES. Okay, we will add ES because it is not a vowel. If it is a vowel we would have added just S, but here you can see it is not a vowel, so we will write the spelling as volcanoes, VOLCANOES, volcanoes. Country will become countries. The correct answer is A, COUNTRIES, 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 countries. Self will become selves, SELVES, A. Option A is correct. Self, selves, SELVES, selves. Hero, heroes, HEROES, that is B option is correct. For hero, B option is correct, HEROES, heroes. Mosquito, it will become mosquitoes, MOSQUITOES, that is B option. For mosquito, it will be mosquitoes, MOSQUITOES, mosquitoes. Next, number 9, donkey. Donkey will become donkeys, DONKEYS, that is the first option, A. Donkey will become donkeys, DONKEYS. Roof will become roofs, 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 roofs. Quiz will become quizzes, quiz, A. Option A, quizzes, QUIZZES, quizzes. Quiz will become quizzes, QUIZZES. Thief will become thieves, B option. For thief, B option, THIEVES, thieves. THIEVES, thieves. And the last one, scissors, itself is plural, you have read before. So scissors will remain as scissors, SCISSORS. Scissors itself is used as a plural form, so scissors plural will be scissors, A option. Okay, SCISSORS. So children, complete this exercise today in your book. You complete everything, and again in the next class we will complete the rest of the exercises left. Okay children, take care, have a nice day. Thank you.